Life is a journey filled with intricate details and moments that often go unnoticed by the casual observer. Within this intricate tapestry of existence, there lie hidden treasures, subtle clues, signs, and whispers, waiting for those with a discerning eye and an open heart to discover. These elusive hints from the universe, though not always glaringly obvious, wield profound significance in the grand narrative of our lives. Imagine life as a grand puzzle, a mosaic of experiences, choices, and encounters. As we navigate through this complex tapestry, we may stumble upon seemingly insignificant moments, encounters, or occurrences. These are the puzzle pieces that, when connected, unveil a larger picture, a picture that defines our true purpose and calling. It is in these fleeting moments, these whispered messages from the cosmos, that we find the essence of our unique journey. They are the cosmic breadcrumbs guiding us along the path of self-discovery and personal growth. These breadcrumbs may take the form of synchronicities, chance encounters, gut feelings, or a deep sense of resonance with certain life choices. In this video, we embark on a journey to decode these hidden signs, to unravel the cryptic language of the universe. We will delve into the intricate tapestry of life, examining the patterns and symbols that may signify you are a chosen one, on a remarkable voyage of self-discovery and profound personal growth. As we peel back the layers of life's intricacies, we will unveil the significance of these signs, learning to recognize them as beacons lighting our way. They are not mere coincidences or random occurrences. They are the threads that weave the fabric of our destiny. These signs have a purpose: to help us align with our true selves, to uncover our unique calling, and to embark on a journey of authenticity and purpose. So, let us embark on this enlightening journey, where we will decipher the language of the universe, unveiling the signs that may indicate you are indeed a chosen one. Together, we will explore the depth of your potential and the profound impact you can have on the world around you. Sign 1. Authenticity is your nature. Many individuals find it challenging to be true to themselves, but not you. Authenticity flows through your veins, making it impossible for you to pretend to be something you're not. You possess an innate aversion to dishonesty. And if something doesn't align with your true self, you'd rather walk away than feign compliance. This authenticity sets you apart as a chosen one and forms the foundation of your unique journey. Sign 2. A radar for genuine souls. Your ability to recognize authenticity in others is akin to a natural gift. You possess a special sense that allows you to spot insincerity from a distance. This discerning trait not only keeps you true to yourself, but also enables you to identify when others are genuine or not. Your knack for recognizing authenticity in a world often marred by deceit sets you apart on your path of self-discovery. Sign 3. The thirst for more. While some people find solace in routine, you are different. You thirst for more. You thirst for more. You crave the extraordinary. The mundane and conventional life simply doesn't satisfy you. You understand that life holds greater possibilities beyond a regular job and societal norms. Your willingness to explore uncharted territories and embrace the road less traveled defines your journey as a chosen one. Sign 4. Embracing life's challenges. Life for you is not a walk in the park. It's a series of challenges that help you grow stronger and wiser. As a chosen one, you are no stranger to adversity. From the very beginning, your life is filled with trials and tribulations. These experiences serve a higher purpose, equipping you with the resilience and wisdom to guide others through their struggles. You are a beacon of hope for those who are lost, providing them with the strength to overcome their own challenges. Sign 5. The quest for truth. From a young age, you've displayed an insatiable curiosity for the truth. Unlike those who simply accept the status quo, you question the world around you and seek deeper meanings in life. Your thirst for knowledge and your unwavering belief in the value of self-examination define your journey as a chosen one. You understand that true answers often lie within, waiting to be discovered. Sign 6. The black sheep. Feeling like the black sheep in your family is a significant sign that you're on a unique path of self-discovery. Your distinct beliefs and perspectives set you apart from your family, making you question whether you truly belong. It can be a lonely experience, but it also signifies that you are meant for something greater than conformity. Your journey is about embracing your uniqueness and embracing your role as a chosen one. Sign 7. A natural giver. Your innate kindness and selflessness define your character. Despite past mistreatment or taking advantage of your generosity, you continue to extend a helping hand. You find immense fulfillment in making others happy, even if it means giving more than you receive. Your giving nature is a clear indicator that you are destined for a greater purpose, one that involves making a positive impact on the lives of those around you. Sign 8. An inner knowing. Deep within, you possess an unwavering belief that you are chosen for something significant. This inner knowing is like a guiding light that cannot be extinguished. It fuels your passion for making a difference in the world and drives you to explore your true purpose. You understand that your journey is meant to leave a lasting impact on the lives of others. Sign 9. A connection to higher powers. Unlike those who dismiss spiritual ideas, you hold a deep respect for the powers of the universe, or a higher being. You recognize that there is a divine plan at play in the world, and you align yourself with it. This connection to higher powers provides you with guidance and protection on your journey of self-discovery. You walk your path with faith and conviction, knowing you are not alone. Conclusion. The signs that you are a chosen one on a path of self-discovery and personal growth are not to be taken lightly. Embrace your authenticity, discerning nature, and thirst for more. Embrace life's challenges, seek the truth, and cherish your uniqueness as the black sheep. Embrace your role as a natural giver and trust your inner knowing. Connect with higher powers and walk your path with unwavering faith. Remember, your journey is not only about self-discovery, but also about making a profound impact on the world around you. You are chosen for a reason, and your purpose is to shine your light and inspire others to do the same. Embrace your journey, for it is a remarkable and transformative one.